Kũringana na aciari arĩa mekinyĩtie cukuru-inĩ ũcio mbere ya mũthĩ wa gatatũ kũinĩkĩrĩra, maugĩte wagagu gatagatĩ-inĩ ka arutwo wambĩrĩirie mũthenya wa Kiumia, kũrĩa ngoroba ya mbere ya nyũmba ya gũkomwo nĩ arutwo yahĩire na njĩra ya kĩriga, na kĩrĩa kĩrũmĩrĩire nĩ aciari gwĩtĩrwo arutwo na kũmenyithio cukuru nĩ ũhingĩtwo kwa ihinda.
Hii kitu ilianza Sunday, si moto ya jana. Hiyo moto ilianza Sunday, na ya Sunday hawakutuambia ati kuna moto. Walienda sijui wakanunua blanketi, wakanunua mattress, wakatoa wale watoto kwa na sijui na uniform, wakatoa kwa ile nini dom, wakapeleka kwa dom nyingine. Kwa nini ya Sunday hatu kuambiwa? Vio zilikuja kuchenjiwa Sunday. How comes? Hiyo ni kitu ya kufichwa kama sisi wazazi.
Principals have taken advantages out of the chaos that we have in schools. Like today, they were trying to impress that we are going to pay some amount of money equivalent to what was destroyed in the dormitories and whatever the gadgets were burnt out. So I was saying, I was of this opinion that we the parents are not ready to pay a single penny out of what we have paid as a school fees and other maintenance costs.
Kũringana na Lawrence Mugaka, ũrĩa nĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri wa bodi ya kĩama kĩa aciari cukuru-inĩ ũcio, ũrũgamĩrĩri wa thukuru ũyũ ũtigĩire borithi kanya gaka gwĩka ũthuthuria, makiuga mararũmĩrĩra mbica cia CCTV gũtabania ũthuthuria wao.
They went back to the CCTV and they brought the CCTV expert. The CCTV ran, and it was very clear that the boys were seen there. Yes.
We are demanding of the management of the school, the principal included, that they foot the bill because they have the CCTVs in place. And so therefore, the burden of equipping the dormitory, replacing the dormitory, or repairing the dormitory should not be taken upon the shoulders of the parents. And so therefore, whatever they have as the maintenance cost that we have been paying, let them replace that with the maintenance of the dormitory, and let them not overburden the parents of this institution. We have been overburdened enough.
The dormitory where they stay, it was damaged. So we cannot congest the students in a very small room for healthy purposes. So that's where we are, the board and all the stakeholders have agreed that we should send the boys home for their safety until we repair the dome.
Hao watoto wengine wanaenda wamevunjika miguu, kuna wengine wamevunjika mikono, na ni jana usiku. Hiyo ni safe kwa mtoto, na mtoto ako shule. Ako shule ina nini, iko na baka guard ni askari. How comes? Tutafanya aje hapa? Hatuna safe na watoto wetu hapa Magereza. Maybe tukae chini wazazi na watoto wetu vizuri, watueleze, na kama wanadhani venye ati watoto wazazi wameenda ati sasa waanze kuandika message turudi na pesa zingine, hatutarudi na pesa, wakae wakijuaga hiyo.
Mwaki ũyũ ũrerĩkana ũrũmĩrĩire mĩaki ĩngĩ ĩratũmũkĩte hau kabere thikũ cigana ũna hĩtũku, borithi makĩhũnga mahũri arutwana arĩa maikĩtio ngono kũhutania na ndeto ĩno.
There are so many people who can be the culprits, who might have been the people who burnt the dormitory. Let them be held responsible. Not every parent. We are innocent. The other children are innocent. And what they have done today, expelling every child, we brought them here for education. They should not have been expelled, all of them. Let them get the culprits who did that. Let them pay the cost. But let the burden not be on top of the shoulders of the parents.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ Wanyamũ.